1-2-3 pattern MTF with Bollinger Bands and moving averages scalping system is a price action Forex strategy trend following. This scalping system works also with higher time frame. Time frame 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Currency pairs, Euro to US dollar, Pound sterling to US dollar to Swiss franc, Australian dollar to US dollar. Technical indicators parabolic SAR indicator, 0.02 to 0.2, moving average simple, period 6, close, moving average simple, period 12, close, moving average simple, period 24, close, moving average simple, period 48, close, Bollinger Bands, 12, 2 or 20, 2, Bollinger Bands, 48, 2, 1-2-3 pattern MTF v3.1, lab trend zigzag 1.2, rules for 1-2-3 pattern MTF with Bollinger Bands and moving averages scalping system trade only in the direction of TH trend by simple moving average trend up equals MA6 greater than MA12 greater than MA24 greater than MA48 and MA12 greater than MA24 greater than MA48. Parabolic SAR trend up with the dots below the candles. The upper band of the Bollinger Bands, 12, 2 or 20 to 2, is greater than of the upper band of the Bollinger Bands, 48, 2, lab trend zigzag pointing up. If these conditions are fulfilled, enter a buy pending order at the level 100 of the indicator 1-2-3 pattern with target 161 or 261. Place the stop loss 2 pips below the level of 23.6. Sell simple moving average trend down equals MA6 MA12 less than MA24 less than MA48 and MA12 less than MA24 less than MA48. Parabolic SAR trend down with the dots above the candles. The lower band of the Bollinger Bands, 12, 2 or 20 to 2, is greater than of the lower band of the Bollinger Bands, 48, 2, lab trend zigzag pointing down. If these conditions are fulfilled, enter a sell pending order at the level 100 of the indicator 1-2-3 pattern with target 161 or 261. Place the stop loss 2 pips above the level of 23.6. This scalping system is also good for trading in with binary options high/low. The 1-2-3 pattern MTF with Bollinger Bands and moving averages scalping system for MT4 is quite a mouthful of a trading strategy. But as the name suggests, this trading system makes use of 3 different approaches of trading the markets. As you might have already guessed, the first method of this trading system uses the 1-2-3 pattern. Then, traders make use of the Bollinger Bands and moving averages before taking a long or a short position in the market. The 1-2-3 pattern MTF with Bollinger Bands and moving averages scalping system uses quite a few moving average indicators and Bollinger Bands. There are about 4 moving averages used. The settings used in the 1-2-3 pattern MTF with Bollinger Bands and moving averages scalping system are the 48, 24, 12 and 6 period simple moving averages. We are not really sure on the basis or the logic behind using these 4 moving averages. There are also 2 Bollinger Bands indicators. The Bollinger Bands uses the settings of 12, 2 and 48, 2 settings. Finally, we have the 1-2-3 pattern indicator. This indicator plots the 1-2-3 pattern and accounts for different multi-time frame analysis as well. This indicator is the yellow zigzag indicator that you see on the price chart. Alongside the 1-2-3 pattern indicator, there is also the lap trend zigzag indicator. Again, we are not quite sure why there needs to be 2 indicators that basically plot the same values. Finally, there is the parabolic SAR indicator. The parabolic SAR indicator is barely visible considering the number of redundant indicators used in the 1-2-3 pattern MTF with Bollinger Bands and moving averages scalping system. The 1-2-3 pattern MTF with Bollinger Bands and moving averages scalping system trades on the concept of first identifying the trends and then traders take a position on a pullback. This pullback occurs based on the 1-2-3 pattern. However, experienced traders would know that the 1-2-3 pattern is not 100% foolproof. Therefore, many a times you will see the pattern occurring but failing. The number of moving averages and the Bollinger Bands often makes the charts very cluttered. So, if you are interested in looking at the candlesticks or price action, chances are that it is difficult. Traders who have some experience could remove some of these indicators to make the charts a bit more readable. The 1-2-3 pattern MTF with Bollinger Bands and moving averages scalping system is a short-term trading strategy. However, there will be times when you will have to hold on to your trades overnight. This trading system is ideally suited for trading on the short-term chart time frames only. However, if you trade this method on higher chart time frames, then your holding period for a trade would run into a few days. Therefore, traders need to assess if this is their style of trading and whether they are comfortable trading with this method. Let's now take a look at how you can trade long and short positions using the 1-2-3 pattern MTF with Bollinger Bands and moving averages scalping system. 1-23 pattern MTF Forex scalping strategy. This is a scalping strategy that uses the price action when trading. This strategy is a trend following strategy, so it means that trading in the direction of the trend can make trading more comprehensive. Use this method in a 5 or 15-minute chart. The currency pairs that are applicable to this system are Eurust, PUST, USD and AUDIST. Forex indicators: parabolic SAR indicator, 0.